Bang. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode from the Little House in the Woods. We have a package here, and I'm really not feeling well. Wait a second. I'll stay here for a bit. Where do you think it's from? Where do you think it is from? It's from where?
Ouch!
Whoa. Let's see what we have here.
But what do you have there? What do you have there?
Now let's take a look in here too, because I heard that. Oops. Wait, we also have a letter. Here. Tiberiu and Cornel. Do you remember the salve? Spring has come, the birds are singing, the sun is shining, and your lawn.
It's blooming.
It still needs a little attention. Costico, what did you do with the lawn?
Well, what did I do with the lawn? There's no grass left, man. What lawn?
Not this lawn, your lawn.
Do you have a lawn?
You don't have a lawn, no.
Why don't you have a lawn? I just don't. Wow.
Go on, Isa, look at that. Look what it says here. Look what it says here. Your lawn still needs a little...
What lawn?
You don't have one? You don't have a lawn?
No.
Wow, Tapanul, how come you don't have one? So much grass on your beard and ears. Don't you have grass? Grass.
Hair!
The hair, sir. Look what it says.
Fine, if you let me do my hair.
Hold on a second. Look what it says here. It's time to do something about this. That's why we're coming back with Shaft 2 in the gold version. To get you in shape for the season. Because you know, a well-kept lawn is the foundation, just like Kostika says.
That's right.
So, it says here as follows. Don't forget about us during the spring cleaning. We're offering our help, right? So look, they even took a really cool picture of us here. Look how nice it is. Oh,
The trimmer. But where's the lawnmower?
the trimmer for your lawn, guys. Here it is, the trimmer for your lawn. Not the big one, the small one.
Oh, yeah.
The gold version. Let's see. Here. Hey. Opatasa. That's for Cornel. Golden Mamas. For Cornel?
Take it.
I'll be damned if I don't.
Man.
Take it.
Come on, hurry up. Hurry up.
Wow, it's really nice. That little bread, I eat it with that.
You eat with that? I do.
Me with a shovel. You eat with a shovel. Mom,
We used to serve and eat food with this ladle.
the golden ones. We have nothing to do with them.
The golden ones are crazy too.
Here,
Let's see what else is here. The hair clipper.
take the hair clipper. 72. Pay attention here. You have 72 Kostika. Gold edition, take it. Kostika.
Wow, but did they only send you these things? Wow.
Yes,
But I only sent a few things? Yes.
but people didn't know when you'd arrive.
Yeah, but dude.
Hey, I'll give you mine. Man, I'll give you mine because I'm taking it home. I'll give you mine. The trimmer. Let's see. Go ahead, open it a bit. Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Wow. Look at that. Look at that. This one's nice.
Wait, let me...
Let me see what she's got. Let me see what she's got. Here.
Give me one too, man.
One. Look, what about this one? No, this is gold. Gold edition. I won't give you this one. I won't give you the gold edition.
The one you used.
But I didn't use it.
You trimmed down there. I didn't trim. You trimmed down there? No.
Because I didn't really use it. I didn't use it here. 72 gold edition. It's a trimmer for special tasks, right? It's a shaver for intimate areas. I know you're kind of used to grooming your intimate area. So I think I'll give you one of these as a gift. The most important features that stand out about this machine are that it has a steel blade, a foil blade, and cut-free technology, right? It's water resistant and it also has an LED light so you can see clearly.
So you just insert it like this and run the machine here, right?
Yes, through here and there and over there too.
So it catches the hair, right?
Yes, everywhere. Let's open it up a bit to see how it looks. Come on, lift it. Here. Careful.
Careful. Hey, take this.
Man. Wait, sir. Man, look how good it looks, boy. Wow. Man, look at it, Kostika. Just imagine how it is for the intimate areas. Well, yeah, it has to be golden too.
Golden.
Here. Wow, it's really nice, man.
Man.
Feel how it sits in your hand. Wow, wow, wow.
Ouch.
So it has, man. You can put more. Look at that. What are you talking about? Do you have hair anywhere? Do you have a lawn?
Yes.
Do you want to do it now? No, we also have the device from the box. The gold edition razor from Shavda. The charging stand. Look how nice the charging stand is. And we have the head, which is definitely used for the intimate area. And this one too.
Here.
Let's see.
Here.
Here.
Wow, you really sent some great people, and it's going really well?
Man, oh man.
Look at him with...
Tiberiu is really going at it.
And he's talking.
Here.
Man, here.
Yeah. We're thinking of you with this.
Huh?
With this.
With which one?
Here?
They don't give ours like a... They don't give it to them either. Not like that, man. Wait, man. Hand that one over to me. We also have a USB-C cable. With a regular USB that comes, man, to... And Kostika is talking. And you're talking, man, really. Man, it's really nice. And the other one is the same, right? Man, one of them. Let them have it. But not this one. This one is gold. This one is gold.
You'll give me another one at home. The one you used.
This one. Clean it with alcohol since there's an issue.
But did you put it in...
I didn't put it anywhere. I didn't put it anywhere. Don't worry. So if you want to order the shaver for intimate areas, the gold edition from Shav, I'll also give you a discount code for 25% off from the total value of the order. The promotional code is TC25. I'll also leave a link in the description so that in the first comment.
Did you see?
What?
Look here.
Well, yeah, it also has an LED. Bulb? Well, bleda.
Well, so he can see where he's going. Jumble, mumble, grumble.
Well, yes, so he can see if... But don't you have hair under your arm?
No, I don't, because I shaved.
Are you shaved? Yes.
You do!
Me? Let me run it over my tattoo a little too. Hand it over a sec. Here. But I won't use yours, man. Yeah, man.
With this one, man. This one is mine.
It's mine.
Isn't it?
No, I won't give you this one.
But you said we'd get this one.
No, look, I don't know. The other one was laughing.
So what goes with this one? This one belongs to Cornel.
Here. Here.
And it's good.
Look at this. Hey.
Yours is blonde. You can't see it.
What do you mean? Look at it.
Yes, but you can't tell since it's blonde.
Look at her go.
All right, it doesn't even have a battery.
What do you mean? It does. It does because it's charged. Is it charged?
Since when?
Wow, it's so cool. It's so cool. You have to keep the tattoo visible all the time.
Clean.
Clean, nice, hairless. Well, yes. How could they have hair?
Uh-huh. Capel at the helm.
Exactly.
Okay, that's how it is. Don't mess up.
See, yes.
I have to...
Go all the way up. Go home. Something else? Look, I would have finished.
Yeah, Mom?
And it's so deep you can't feel anything anymore.
Really?
Look. What a beauty. What a beauty. This one goes like this. Done. These are yours. Arrange them however you like, just not like that.
Ha ha ha. Give us this thing. Tada, 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 tada.
It's nice here.
Tada, 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 tada. If you send me now, maybe send them too. No, just you.
Well, I don't know, man. See,
Maybe you know now.
since you came out here, just like that. The charger. This is the new charger. The gold edition version from Shave 2. You need to have something like this. You need to have something like this. I'm telling you. It's great for...
Huh? Or?
Nice.
Nice.
Let's get to work now. Yes. Let's see what we can do. I think we can do it. Let's check where the threads were removed.
The threads aren't here.
Look at that. Look. Look at this beauty.
Nice, huh?
Little wolves. My little wolf. This is my spoon, man. There it is.
Here, we'll put this here.
There, like that.
Like this?
Yes, like that, like that. We put this like this. Nice. It has to sit right, man. Like that. It won't stay put, man. Hey, why doesn't it stay? Put it here. That's Miladiata. Hey, put that down.
Look at that.
Like that. Like that. Just like that. You'll see what I'm eating. You'll see what I'm eating.
You'll see what I'm eating.
Wait, let me put this here too. Give it here. Give it. Like that.
Wow, nice, like that.
Let's take a picture here for thumbnail. Click. Incredible. Incredible. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. So I'll tell you once again, okay? The discount code for 25% off the total value of your orders is TK25, and I'll leave the link in the first comment. Go check it out. And you should have something like this in your possession too, because they're the best machines. You can even use this as a spoon to eat with. Yes, it's normal. It's for the garden because you'll be using it in the garden soon. For water, potatoes, for example.
You can use this one. If you took a spoon like this for eating, you could hit someone on the head or in the mouth. I'm just not sure this fork will make it in time. Let's get to work.
All right, let's go. Let's get to work. It's going to be a mess soon. Let's see what we can do. Let's see why we need to get a lawnmower.
A nice machine from your folks was here and used that mower again?
You still need to mow, or it looks bad.
Well, and what are you going to use?
And there, and over there, and on this side. Look, a little bit here, and... This one, what's it called?
You have to bring the tiller because we'll take care of the other one.
Does the tiller need to be brought? Let's get organized, but before that, let's sit for a bit longer.
Let's sit a bit longer, now that we've made it over to your place too.
Where are you going?
To the ground.
Aye, ha! Watch where you are, how you're positioned, and what you're doing. Although... Oh no, someone brought it to the little house. They brought some strawberries. And...
Sticker.
Look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 strawberries. Caustic said we should take these from here. We're going to put them there, friends. These two. Dug nicely with the spade. Put soil in them. And planted strawberries. The strawberries go here. Bam, bam, bam. But we still need more, because there are too few. We need more. He's going to get some soil. Look, Agu waited. Agu waited.
Say, Bulldog.
We were waiting to put one here. Just like that, dug a little. And one on the other side. Let's bring that other one from over there too. Look at the chickens. They left the chickens outside. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Look, all of them. I'm going to lose them. I'll be damned if I don't lose them. I'll be damned if I don't lose them. Hey, tough guy, don't mess with me or things might get out of hand. You might wake up in the pot just like this, right here. I'm telling you, it's good here, huh? You guys just wait and see. Because here you'll see. Yeah, I say it's perfect. What is that one doing? Is that celandine by any chance? Yes, I had another wart around here. This celandine is really good if you put it on warts. The wart was right around here. All right, let me see where the shovel is. How am I supposed to put these in? Oh, but no, because if... I think they barely go into the ground. What's that thing doing, man? Isn't it working again? Very little, just enough so that edge is in the ground. Because the rest will stay in place from the weight we're going to put there, right? Let me look for a shovel. Ah, but this one is broken, man, for crying out loud. What should I dig with? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. May he be struck down if he doesn't. Leave it there. Yes, like that. We'll take it with a wheelbarrow. Come here. Come here and leave it there. I don't understand what you're saying. I don't understand. Well, give it here. Gimme, 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 gimme. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Well, we have to do something with that too to make it work. Put that over there. Man, this is hard. Goodbye. Look, you've arrived. Look, he's taking you in.
Hey!
Put it down. It's not good. How did you get me out of there? How did you get me out of there? I can't take you any farther or you'll go downhill. Hold on to the fence. You're going downhill. Leave it like that. Lower me a little more. Lower.
Ó,
All the way.
tu.
That's right. And folks, could you handle a bit more? Oh my goodness. Are you there? No way, but are you going to...
Te. Strisgardo.
Wait, keep going like that and we'll make it, I think. They arrived with this. Let's see how we dig this hole here.
Welcome.
But you can't do it like this here.
Why not?
In the sea.
But the soil needs to be put back in.
What do you mean it needs a little? Make a pipe.
Well, isn't it over there on the corner, huh? Isn't it over there on the corner?
Which corner?
There.
Here, quick. Let him come between them. Don't. Yes, call. No, wait, man. It's like a shovel. The illness is slipping in.
I'm slipping.
I'm slipping into illness.
I'm slipping.
Illness. I'm slipping illness. No.
From here. I'm slipping. I'm slipping.
Chronic disease.
I'm slipping. I'm slipping.
I'm slipping. Alnec disease. I'm slipping. I'm slipping.
Isso ia no culpa.
Alnec disease.
Tá como? Consulte
I'm slipping.
de mim, tá?
Can I help you? Did you finish the objective? Did you complete the objective?
Here.
If you did, you messed it up.
Which one?
Ah, it didn't work. Yes.
Yes.
1700.
I pushed it too hard. The tractor bucket.
So here we have the objective. The live challenges. Roulette is being activated at the little house in the forest, folks. Go to casutadimpaduri.com VIP. Interactive live cameras 24/7. Live challenges. Live roulette. Live alert.
The second time, it's the other one over there.
Which one is this?
The other one over there.
Where is it? Do you know?
Yes, where?
Where?
In the store.
How many times have I gotten this one from the store?
I remember.
Yeah? Still live. Still live. Ah, look. This one was good. Look how dumb. And I took the...
Tricata. Oi.
Look how dumb I am. Let's see if there's anyone else there who... Hey, I'll check if anyone's there. If anyone wants to greet the community. Let's see. Is anyone here?
Alô?
Is anyone here? Does anyone want to greet the community? Let's see. How many are left? 7 people. Everyone else is left. Everyone's gone. I don't know if anyone's left. Let's see. We're on the Tiberiu and Cornel YouTube channel. Does anyone want to send a message? I don't think anyone wants to. They left with... Look how I look. Can you see me?
Uh-huh.
Here. Can you see? Here.
Don't forget, subscribe to the channel. Food.
Food. There's no one here. They left with Grandpa, but I'll go back there. If anyone wants to say something about the community, get notifications when I post videos. Grandpa left. There's no one left, but we need to set up some cameras to cover everything nicely and with a wide angle to cover all the angles. They left. There's no one left, just some angles. They all left. The angles. Yes?
Cumpă.
You know how it is? That's how it is. Let me hear the car. Hear me, hi? Climb. Shush, Nikolai, shush. Quiet. Say anything else and we'll put you in the pot. Is that good like this? Look, perfect. We'll put the other one there, right? And we won't have to guess 45 of these anymore. How many do we have? We have 3 strawberries, man. 4 strawberries. In the meantime, I'll start doing this here too. But I don't know. I think I'm putting this one in backwards, huh? And more here, right?
Oh.
How many? Come on, give it here. Let me dig here too. You took your time digging. Perfect.
There? Can you put it on the other side?
Where? Which one?
At the gate.
Should we put it over there? Dear ones, you have found.
Dear ones with these.
Shall we cut it?
Let's do them all.
Go ahead.
That's right.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
To you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Sleep up. Go. No man, just fuck. Let's go.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm bringing it to you. A lucky guy. Monty, you lucky guy. They had a chance there. I see they can't go on anymore. Come on. Look. If I didn't bang on it hard. Oh dear. Huh?
He's alive!
Did you say close up, Yaku?
Aha! How could he hit?
How could he hit? Hit from there, then. Until it fills up. Well, it's filled up, it's done. Come on, it's working, it's working. It's working. You have 3 now. It'll be done in one go. You brought some, too. You thought you had some to plant. A ton! But I don't know if we can grow strawberries.
Why?
In this soil,
Hey, but it will wear out.
it will wear out?
Yes, yes.
In this soil, if you...
If you put it in the hard ground.
Yes, but once you till the soil, it's not hard.
Hey, that's not how you need, huh?
That's how it shouldn't be. No, now you're using the power tiller. With this, you know?
Hey!
Hey, hey! Look, here it is. Yes.
Hey.
It has to be done. Yes. Yes, the rain is coming. The rain is coming now. It's about to... Who gave it to you there, huh? Eat yours. Marion, you have a little devil on you, Marion. Done? It's good.
Hey, let me take it back.
Take her back. Make sure you don't... Yes. I don't know who brought these strawberries here, but may God bless those who brought these strawberries. If there were more, it would be even better. Don't forget, that's right, 2, 4, 5. 5. We need to go buy more strawberries to buy more. Here. Let's see. Big and delicious fruit. And magical. Egg. Let's see. One here, and it's done. I don't think they'll fit here. Somehow they fit. They fit. Break it with this stick. Here.
I can't do it with one hand. I'll put them like this.
It had to be put upright.
You two. I see she's angry. She's standing. She's not standing.
Do they grow like this? Like this? Do they grow like this? Poopy? Like this? I don't know if they grow like this. I put them like this, but I should have done it the other way. Here, oh. And I do it.
Woof.
What a stubborn bunch. I mean, really. I see a hand. The others got bread already. It goes in up to here. I fixed them up a bit. I adjusted them a little, more like that. Hey, oh, there were more. Look, look, they were laying eggs. Pay attention here. Someone was laying eggs here. I don't know who, but they were laying them. Look. Hold on, see? Only mole crickets take from here. of eggs. Ah, wait, look, I have one more here. She laid this one. I'll put it in here. Hey, I put it in. We still needed more. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Isn't it here? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9, 10. We still need 12 more strawberries. That's it. And do that, man. Let's go over to the storage area. I don't know, somewhere. Let's go see what's wrong, too. It has a pump that works like that. Done. With the knife. Don't act up, or I'll throw you in the pot right away. When I put you in, when I put the other one in sideways, stop messing up the path, man. The path. I'm tightening it again, just like this. Let's see now how much... Let's see how much we have here. And also from 220 watts, volts. 1% used. Wow, just 1%.
130 watts.
100 watts. 100 and something. Our consumption is, and it's putting in, how much is it putting in? 220 watts. Volt. W. It matters to me. I don't get confused. I don't know exactly which one is with hands. And it puts out 180 watts.
90-200.
Here's the battery. It's charging. It has to charge because it's full. This one is full. That means it still needs to charge, man.
Full.
That's it. And I said that from here. And the pump. Let me see.
Say something.
Hey, I'm not going to say anything. Huh? Did you say something? He said that too. That pump doesn't work now, and I don't know why. I don't know what's wrong with that pump. It doesn't work. Let's see. It should. No. Maybe it's hitting the panels. Hey, maybe you're hitting the panels too. And them. That's his toy. That's his only toy. Only in the mud. So I'm going to the warehouse. I have to go to the warehouse and let's see what we do with this water, sir. Let's change this one here, like that. From above, man. You went in too hard. What are you doing? He crossed this road again. Leave it like that. Let the man pass through here. Nope, maybe not. There's nothing you can do. There's nothing you can do. Let's see. The water receded here. Do you know how high the water got here? I'm telling you, it was crazy. Oh my, all the way up here. Let's see. Moi. Hey, look what the water's like. This guy is kind of weird. They know how to walk. Let me get under you guys too. Oh my gosh. And stop saying we don't have water at the cabin. Ah, there's water. It's automatic. Look how high the water is. Mama, what are you doing? Look, up to this level here. Come on, boys. This one was broken. This one won't tighten. One of these is broken, or the pump. We need to figure out which one it is and what's going on. I'll go to the warehouse to get something like that. And I left mine there too. And I'll change it. Or here. I don't know. Something's inside. I don't know. His class, wait, and I love each other, if not. He sees something like that. He grabs it. And we also need to... The support for the panels needs to... We still need a bin. It's good that I filmed now. From there, I should go to the warehouse to get one of these, to bring it, and also around the yard, to go get some grass, to get flowers, to put their share in flowers too. I'm putting it down. Leave it like that and pull it back like this. It's good like this, it's good. Hey, good people. Once again, may God give you health and happiness. Only joy to you and your whole family and relatives, and to everyone you wish. To everyone who contributed and helped us get these panels, once again I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Because without your help, then you should know that it would have been hard for us to succeed, so it really mattered. 1 leu, 2, 5 lei, tens of euros. 50 or 100 euros, whatever you gave. To each of you before Christmas, much respect and good health because that's better than anything. Thank you.
Mulțumim.
I'm done here. I'll leave them like this. We're going to Boohoo's to get some diesel. To get some barrels for the well from the warehouse and... Yeah, but let me take the canister from here. I'll close it here, okay?
Frumos.
Let's see which one is the key. It's hard to find these keys. Is this it? What is wrong with me?
Care mă cheia, mă, de aici? Asta. Așa. Bidonul ăsta. Așa.
You have this, he has that, and damn, look, I got scared. Hey, and look over there. Taken again.
Apănoasă. Mâța.
The cat. So, look, it has rubbing alcohol, it has fly spray.
Uai, băiete. Uai, băiete, uite ce ai acolo. Hai. Întâi la depozit, să nu închidă.
We change. You don't have that base there. We're out of water and still need some for the flowers.
Păi da, nu?
We have strawberries over there to turn it on, to...
Păi da.
It's like the priest has. If that's the case, we should have taken it too.
Ah.
Let's make one of those big crosses too. Big ones.
Big ones. I'm scared. Wait a second, we're going into the forest. Why? I was thinking about something.
About what?
Let's do a scratch up.
Oh,
Look how cool it is.
they made more, Sebi. They made more.
Which CB?
A Sebi from... Where was he from? I don't remember.
Da, au fost în păduri, deja când la mare.
Dar nu așa, oi.
Acum.
The one who spins. We had one. Why did he make it?
Where?
Over there, in that corner by the broken spot. Either Cornel or some small replacement house. Really, nowhere specific.
We stick a stake in the ground or a pole in.
So, the way it used to be done, you know, with wood, and you spin with the vessels and then you go the other way.
It's like I've turned it into a wasteland.
Yeah, like that. What did you say? A neat trick. Look,
One at the top here looked like this.
look.
Stepan.
You know, man, about this, like this, and with the rope, and you swing like this? No. And you swing back. No.
No, but how? Oh, but look, it's nice. We put a pipe. It has to be with a thick pipe. I have the car bearing that I took off the hub. We put it on the pipe like this from below, and we put a pipe like a kind of swing.
Yeah.
And we spin it. In the middle, the drive shaft turns and on the edges. Let's put 2 of these swings, so 2 people can get on the swings and one spins with it. Like that, well, like the other one, like a parachute. Shall we do it?
We'll do it at the well.
Down why at the well, man?
At the well down there, so we have a place. Because we're going to do it here in the yard.
No, gotta do it.
We'll do it in the yard. Wait. There, permanently.
Wash there too and come.
At the toilet? Yes. Which one?
In the bathroom?
Oh, in the bathroom. I don't know.
He hits me on the head with it. They give me the nice crap. Because people are coming. Not even he pulls it, you say. He just spins it, yeah?
Shall we see my next idea?
I don't know, huh?
See you.
Cât ar fi lumea de rea, nimic n-o să ne oprească.
Let's accomplish everything we've set out to do in life.